What's up guys, welcome to TJ's World. This is our first ever video, so I hope you like it. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. Before we get started, let me show you the different pieces that make up the cube. The center piece, the edge piece, and the corner piece. Okay, now let's get started. Step 1. Make the daisy. Find the yellow centerpiece and get all the white edge pieces around the yellow centerpiece. We have a white edge piece here that can just simply be turned up so it's around the yellow centerpiece. The same for this one. We can just turn it up so it's around. If it's at the bottom, turn it directly underneath a blank edge piece space, because we have only these two spaces to fill up. This one, we can just turn the face so it's facing up and it's around the yellow centerpiece. The same for this one. We can just turn the face up so then it's around the yellow centerpiece. And that's the daisy done. And it doesn't matter if a white corner piece ends up at the top, because you've still made the daisy. And if the white edge piece is at the bottom like this, you can just turn the bottom line where the edge piece is to any side you want. I will turn it to the right. Now, where the empty edge piece space is, you will want to turn the middle line down and then bring the line that you turn at the beginning back to where it was, and then turn the middle line back up. And if the white edge piece is at the top like this, we turn the face that the piece is on so it's at the bottom like this, yeah? Then you can turn the bottom to any side you want. I will turn it to the right. And now turn the middle line where the blank edge piece space is down, and turn the line that you turned second at the beginning back, and then turn that middle line back up again. Step 2. Make the white cross. Now we've completed the daisy. Now we're going to focus on the white edge pieces. On the side of these white edge pieces, there's a color. In this case, it's orange. So we turn the top until the edge piece matches up with the same color centerpiece. And then we just turn the face so then it's at the bottom. This one's already done for us, so we can just turn it to the bottom, like that. This one's also already done for us, so we can turn it to the bottom. And this one's also done for us, so we can just turn it to the bottom. And that's the white cross done. Step 3. Make the first layer. So first of all, we want to keep the white cross so it's at the bottom. Next, we want to find all the corner pieces with white on it. For example, this one. This one has white on it and two other colors. The other two colors are orange and green. So turn the top so it's in between the same color sides. So the green is in between the green side and the orange is in between the orange side. and it doesn't matter if they're inverted. Since the white is at the top, we do 3 righty algorithms. Up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side. Last one, up, side, down, side. And now we've inserted that piece. Now this corner piece, this one has white and it has blue and orange. So turn it in between those colors. So the orange is in between the orange and the blue is in between the blue. And since the white is facing towards us, we turn the cube and do lefty algorithm. Up, side, down, side. Now this one is already in between its colors, blue and red. Since the white is at the top, we do 3 righty algorithms. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. And now we've inserted the piece. Now last one is red and green. So we turn the top so that the corner piece is in between those colors. Red is in between the red side and green in between the green side. Since the white is facing to the right, we do righty algorithm. Up, side, down, side. And that's the first layer done. Step 4, make the second layer. First, we need to find all the edge pieces without yellow on it. For example, this one. This one has green and orange. So the color that's facing towards us is green. So we turn the top so we match it up with the green side. The color at the top is orange. So we turn the top so then it's opposite the orange side. Since the orange piece needs to go to the orange side, the orange side is on the right. So we do righty algorithm. Up, side, down, side. And then insert this piece back in. Since the white is facing towards us, we turn the cube and do lefty. Up, side, down, side. And now we've inserted this piece. Next one, red and green. The red is already facing the red side, but now we only need to turn the top away from the green because it's the next color. So we turn the top opposite the green side. And since this green piece needs to go to the right, we do righty. Up, side, down, side. And then insert this piece. Since the white is facing towards us, we turn the cube and do lefty algorithm. Up, side, down, side. And now we've inserted this piece. Next, we have orange and blue. Turn the orange piece to the orange sides. The color at the top is blue, so turn it opposite the blue side. Since the blue needs to go on the blue side, it's on the right. So we do righty. Up, side, down, side. And since the y is facing towards us, we turn the cube and do lefty. Up, side, down, side. Now, last one, blue and red. Turn the top to the blue side and then turn it away from the red side so it's opposite. Since the red needs to go on the red side, the red is on the right side, so we do righty. Up, side, down, side. And then we just insert this piece. Turn the cube and then do lefty. Up, side, down, side. And that's the second layer done. Just so you know, if the y is facing towards you, if you do righty algorithm, then you will need to start all over again. So that's why we turn the cube and do lefty algorithm. Now step 5, make the yellow cross. For this step, there are a few scenarios. This is one scenario. If there's like a hook, then we turn both of the lines closest to you to the sides and do righty algorithm. Up, sides, down, sides, and then turn both of the lines back up. Now this is another scenario. If there's a dot, then we turn both of the lines closest to you to the sides and do righty algorithm. Up, sides, down, sides, and turn both of the lines back up. And now we have either a line or a H. Make the line horizontal, so a straight line, and turn one line that's closest to you to the sides, like this, and then do righty algorithm. Up, sides, down, side, and then turn that line back up. And then we have the yellow cross. Now this is another scenario. If you have an L, then turn it so that it's facing the bottom right corner. And then turn both of the lines closest to you to the sides, like this, and do righty algorithm. Up, sides, down, sides, and then turn both of the lines back up. And sometimes the yellow cross can be completed on its own as you do the second layer step. Step 6, matching up the yellow edge pieces. On the side of these edge pieces, there's a color. We want to get 2 edge pieces matching up together. So we turn the top until we find 2 of them that are matching up with its color sides. Now we turn the cube so then the matched pieces are at the top right corner. Then we do this algorithm. Up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, sides, down, sides. And then all of these edge pieces are matching. And if you turn the top and you can't find any that are matching, then do the algorithm that we did when the edge pieces are matching. Up, sides, down, sides, up, side, side, down, side. And now you should find one that's matching. And then when they're matching, put them in the top right corner and do that algorithm again. Up, side, down, side, up, side, side, down, side. And now all the edge pieces are matching. Step 7. Matching up the yellow corner pieces. We want to get all of these yellow corner pieces matched up to their correct colors. Green and orange need to be on the green and orange side. To do that, we do this algorithm. Up, sides, up, sides, down, sides, down, sides. And now we look around the cube and see if any of the corner pieces are in its correct spot. Currently, there isn't. So we do that algorithm again. Up, sides, up, sides, down, sides, down, sides. Now we look around the cube to see if there's any corner pieces matching up. This one is. Orange is in between the orange and green is in between the green. Now, when we have a solved corner piece, place it in the bottom left and do that algorithm once or twice more. 1, up, sides, up, sides, down, sides, down, sides. Now all the corner pieces are matching up. Step 8, finish the cube. So we want to turn the cube so the yellow cross is at the bottom. So the white side should be at the top. Now we do righty algorithm until this gets inserted. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides is matched up, down, side. And we've inserted that. Now this is really important. We turn the bottom to the left and do righty algorithm again until the yellow piece gets inserted. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, side is matched up, down, side, and that's inserted. Turn the bottom to the left once more. This is the last corner piece to insert. Keep doing righty algorithms until the yellow piece is inserted. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides, down, sides. Up, sides is matched up, down, sides. And now just turn and then it's solved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you solve the Rubik's Cube. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe, as there will be more tutorials coming up. Also comment down below about what you want to see next. Bye guys!